Good morning, you guys. It is Saturday morning for me, and on Saturday mornings I usually go run all my errands that I have to do, so I thought it would be a really fun video to do a grocery haul and also do some organizing of my cupboards that I keep my food in and my fridge. Yeah, usually I am really on top of that and it stays very organized and all that jazz, but the past 2 weeks have been crazy and it's just gotten really out of control, so I need to kind of reassess all of that. So yeah, I'm going to be going to Winco today and Target. I have a pretty hefty grocery list between the two places, so hopefully I'll be able to find all of the things that I am looking for between those two. The weather right now is, I'm in central Washington. Literally the weather is smoke. Today's the first day that I can see a little bit of blue in the sky, so that's exciting. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving a little life update. There's been some crazy stuff going on the past few weeks, and so if you're interested in hearing about that, be sure to stay tuned until the end. Also, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in a little bit after I go do all of my errands. Okay, other thing, no errands run, in my opinion, is complete without getting Starbucks. So that's where I am right now. I've waited 20 minutes in the Starbucks line, but that's okay. The pumpkin spice latte is totally worth it. Yeah, I only go to Starbucks once or twice a week, which for some people that might seem like a lot, and for some people that might seem like very rare. I used to go every day, and I don't do that anymore because I just have my iced coffee at home and my pumpkin creamer, which I am hoarding for when pumpkin spice season ends. So yeah. I am a very, very happy human right now. So spicy. So this ended up being quite the haul. I don't really have the best counter space, so I kind of had to spread everything out. But I'm just going to go through everything super, super fast. Bread, kind of breakfasty stuff, eggs. Camden needed some little meals and snacks for the week. He works a lot of evenings. Some spices that I was needing, sandwich meat. I don't know if you've ever tried Wild Mike's before. They are amazing. I don't know if you have them in their area. Again, little breakfast stuff. Coconut cookie rolls, my fave. I have ingredients for chili this week and enchiladas and pasta salad. Also just some produce. Another one of my favorites is these Jack Daniel's country cocktails. I usually get the Southern Citrus, but I really wanted to try their Southern Peach. Also, I went kind of crazy on the pumpkin spice, so I have 2 creamers, the pumpkin spice latte, and then just my regular iced coffee. I needed some toiletries, so shampoo, conditioner, some defrizz and BB cream, Diet Pepsi for Camden, Ziploc bags, kitchen bags, some little tea towels from the 135 section. Oh, I guess it's called a bar towel, sorry. And some birthday cards for the month. So that's exciting. And then also I got this little sign, again from the 135 section, Salem Broom Company. I'm going to be making my Halloween decor and clean with me soon. So that's super exciting.
Feel the summer's touching my face, reminding me of last year in the city where we both lived. Pantry's rain and streets called by name. We were breathing, flying, feeling that life's guiding. first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Donald Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. When the light arrived, we're strangers with nothing more common than before. Before the night started to tease us with warmth and such, music, love and touch. We were rolling, laughing, floating, and there's your eyes again. Running with the nightlife, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Donald Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. Closing my eyes to see what the city smells like now. Still feel the wind. The night we were dancing out of time. Running with the nightlight, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Jonathan Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now will soon be over. We're soldiers and we're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher, higher. We're higher. We're soldiers and we're higher. We're higher.
when we started off, it sure was a different kind of love. Should I get up? Should I get up and run? Stop dead right before it had begun. I was the morning dove, and you were the hawk chasing me through the air. You looked like
line. Too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Down the line, you'll ask why I wasted my time, and I'll say I didn't know better. But the truth is I was weak and scared, afraid of the blame. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. And I will not keep up the pace. To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Yeah, hard to let go. Hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go. Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me I slowly begin to realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up I will love it, 'cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you. You said summer will be over soon. Would you still like to hang around? When clouds roll in and cover the moon, will we manage to stand the ground? Without you I'm an only tree.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I have some really exciting things coming up in the future. I'm gonna be doing my Halloween clean with me here shortly, so you'll wanna check in for that later on. Then also, I just got hired at the hospital as a phlebotomist. I finished my training and got my certification and everything. And so in the future, I'm probably going to be doing a day in the life of a phlebotomist video. So if that interests you, again, be sure to subscribe and be checking in for that video. For those of you that don't know what a phlebotomist is, that's the person that draws your blood. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm super excited. Also, we just applied for a new apartment. Our lease is up in December, and the apartment we applied to is like literally in the works of being built right now. And so if all goes smoothly with the timeline, there should be like perfect move-in to like when we get our unit, and our lease is up here. So yeah, in the future we'll be doing a pack and move with me and do a new apartment tour. So yeah, all kinds of like really cool things coming up in the future that you'll want to look out for. So yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.